Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty on location at my newest listing here at 12 Fortson Way in Fountain, South Carolina. This gorgeous property is conveniently located just off the highway near Fairview Road in Simpsonville. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, there's 2-car garage, beautifully updated granite countertops in the kitchen and the bathrooms. There's hardwood flooring, laminate flooring, and tile floors in the kitchen, laundry room, and the bathrooms. There's a fireplace in the living room, vaulted ceiling. Master suite has a walk-in closet, double sinks, there's a garden tub, and a tile shower as well. There's a huge deck out back, updated fixtures. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Beautiful, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed taking a tour of this gorgeous property. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-525-0201, or visit our website at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye-bye.